Hi class, in this video we're going to talk about exponent laws, and the first exponent law we're going to talk about is called the product law. So the product law right here, it states that if I have the same base and then just the same or different exponents, I can simply add the exponents together. So here's my example, 4 cubed times 4 to the power of 5. Because the base are both 4, they're both the same, I can simply write this as 4 to the power of 3 plus 5. And hence 3 plus 5 is 8. Hence, my answer is 4 to the power of 8. So that means that 4 cubed times 4 to the power of 5 is going to be 4 to the power of 8. Okay, excellent. Let's do some more examples here. Here I have 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 7. Because the base are the same, I can simply add the exponents together. So I have 3 to the power of 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9, so I get 3 to the power of 9. Okay, great. Now let's do another example. Here I have 5 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2. But notice what happens here. 5 is a different base than 3. So because the base are different, I can't apply exponent laws. So let's write that down. Because the base is different, or the bases are different, we cannot apply exponent laws. And if we can't apply exponent laws, what we can do is still just evaluate the question. So if I were just to evaluate, I can solve for it. I just can't put it as an exponent. So if I were to solve for this, 5 squared is simply 25. 3 squared is 9. So I can write 25 times 9 and simply compute my answer instead. And that's as far as I can possibly go. So in this case, this would be 225. But again, I can't put it as a single base with exponents because my bases are different. Now let's move on to one of my last examples here. I have negative 2 squared times negative 2 cubed. Now the base this time is simply negative 2. So I'm going to have negative 2 as my base, and then my exponents are 2 and 3, so it's negative 2 to the power of 2 plus 3. So in this case, 2 plus 3 is 5, hence my answer would be negative 2 to the power of 5. And I wouldn't have to compute this unless I'm asked to in this case. So I can just leave it as bracket negative 2 bracket to the power of 5.